In this video, we're going to go ahead and replace our front license plate bracket located right on your front bumper. On the front of your vehicle, you're probably going to have your license plate on the front if you do have that. If so, remove the screws securing your plate, pull that off. Behind it, you're going to find two 10mm screws holding the license plate bracket to the bumper. Use your 10mm socket, loosen and remove both of these. Take your license plate bracket, grab one of your screws here. I'm going to take my socket, I'm going to line this up. I'm going to start getting one of those screws started a few threads. Do the same for the other side. Spin that in a few threads. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Doesn't have to be super tight. Once you feel that screw bottom out, you're pretty much all set. Now you can go ahead and install your front license plate just as you removed it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.